I got a couch down there, and we got this blue bin. Unless it's short, but I mean, nah, I don't. So next round we just go down there and rebuild.
Run! I'm waiting! Jesus Christ!
If anyone needs healing, just tell me. I'll heal you up.
I can't see! Ah! You can't stay box here! Don't...
Jendar!
No, just these boards just
Jendar!
automatically like put you into phase mode. It's kind of annoying.
No!
Like I just want to walk over it.
Get it!
Jendar, thank you.
Okay, let's go down. Everyone go down.
Oh
We're
my
gonna
god,
we're gonna
so
rebuild down
scary.
there. Someone go down there first. Okay. Is it clear?
Can someone transcribe this into the new
Okay, let's go. Everyone, let's rebuild down here.
Oh my god, he died.
Oh god. Guys, he's not screaming, he's summoning Cthulhu.
Oh my god, Jendar.
Just...
Why the fuck did I just fall through? I just fell through.
Yeah, when you put it like horizontally, it forces you into phase mode for some reason. Yeah, it's weird.
There's a free hammer down there, by the way.
Someone go get it for me,
There's
There's
please.
a lot of shit down there.
I'm not gonna go down there. I would have died down there. Luckily this medikit came in
I think
handy.
I'm gonna go back.
Yeah, someone please get it for me.
Dude, that was scary. Especially if
I don't
there's
feel
only
like-
one person going in there.
It's scary down there.
That's what I just said.
Yes. Who took the hammer? That was
We're
my
dead.
hammer.